Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Most welcome to Triangular Kamal Academy. I welcome to all of you in my academic regular classes. In this content, we are going to discuss higher mathematics for the students of standard 9 and 10. And previous few classes, we have discussed up to 8.3. So today, we are going to discuss here question number 12 from exercise 8.3. So dear students, there are total 5 questions. In this content, inshallah, we will discuss up to 5 questions. So first step, we have to give attention what is the actually requirement of the question. Here, solve the following equations. That means there are total 5 trigonometric equation we have to solve. But the quadrant is given here. Theta is greater than 0 is smaller than pi by 2. That means here condition theta is smaller than pi by 2 means 90 degree and greater than 0 means is always positive. So 0 degree to 90 degree, that means acute angle. So angle must be acute angle only in the first quadrant. All angles given in the first quadrant. So now, dear students, there are only one step. If you can memorize, you can solve this all types of this format question. First step, if you see here, there are total 2 or more trigonometric ratios. You have to convert one trigonometric ratio, then do middle term factor or simplification. Like in first question, there are cos square and sin square. So just you have to change either cos square or sin square. If you change cos square, then you can write here 1 minus sin square theta. Also, you can change here sin square. That means each and every terms must be same trigonometric ratio. So if you change cos square equal to 1 minus sin square, then the whole equation will be related with the trigonometric function of sin theta. Similarly, if you change here sin square equal to 1 minus cos square theta, then left side trigonometric ratio converted, all trigonometric ratio converted into cos. Similarly, here sin square and sin theta is given here. So there is no need to change here. But here tan and cot. So tan is the reciprocal identities of cot. Just you have to change one. In place of cot, you can write here 1 by tan theta. So now all are the function of tan theta. In the same way, here sin square and here cos. We cannot convert cos into the sin, but we can convert sin square into cos square. That's why we can write here sin square is 1 minus cos square. So in the same way, we have to solve these 5 questions. So now first question here, here given equation 2 cos square equal to 1 plus sin square. So here there are two different trigonometric ratio cos and sin. Just we are changing only the sign here. Sin means 1 minus cos square. So just do multiplication with 2. Then you can simplify this one and do the calculation. And after doing calculation, you may get cos theta equals to plus minus root over 3 divided by 2. So now if we consider here positive one and negative one. So negative one means cos theta is equals to minus root over 3 divided by 2. But our condition given here in the first quadrant, each and every trigonometric ratio is positive. Sine, cos, tan, cosec, cot, each and everything will be positive. So minus value is not acceptable here in the first quadrant. Every trigonometric ratio is positive. So now root over 3 divided by 2. Root over 3 divided by 2, what is the value of cos theta? Which value of cos theta will be root over 3 by 2? Root over 3 by 2 means 30 degree. Value of cos 30 degrees. So here in circular measurement, we have to write here 30 degree means pi by 6. So cos theta equal to pi by 6. Eliminating cos from both sides, theta equals to pi by 6, which is our required solution. So now answer is pi by 6. So now give attention in the second question. Question number 2. So here in the question number 2, we see here sin square and cos theta. We cannot change cos theta into sin theta, but we can change sin square is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. Then two trigonometric ratio, we can convert a single trigonometric ratio. So dear students, so now just change the sin square equal to 1 minus cos square. Now do the simplification. Here we see here, if we convert this one into the standard form, minus 2 cos square is the first term, minus 3 cos theta is the second term, and plus 2 cos theta is the third term. But in the first term or in the leading coefficient, we see here minus sign. That's why we have to take here minus common. Then each and every term operation coefficient sign will be changed. Like minus 1 is now plus 1, minus 3 here is now plus 3, and here plus 2 is now minus 2. So now if we divide both sides with the minus or multiply with the both sides with the minus, then we can eliminate this minus sign. So now just do the middle term factor, only the but inside the first bracket. So here step 2, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, and if we do the 4 LCM, 4 1 the 4, and 4 minus 1 equals to 3. So now take here common, and here we will get here two factors. So now consider here the first factors is 0, cos theta plus 2 equal to 0, cos is minus 2, which is not acceptable value. As like as previous one, in the first quadrant, cos, sine, cosec, each and everything is positive. That's why this value is not acceptable. So now we can take here second factor, and this one is 0. So first step, shift minus 1 left side to right side, then divided by 2. And this is half. What is half? Half means cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree is equals to half. Cos 60 degree is equals to half, which we can write here 1 by 2. Or cos 60 degree means cos 60 degree pi by 3. So here half means cos pi by 3. Half means cos pi by 3. So now we can eliminate cos from the both sides. So theta is equals to pi by 3, which is our required answer. So now question number 2 done. Its answer is pi by 3, or you can write here in the 60 degree. So now, dear students, give attention in the second question. Third question. Third question we see here, this is 6 sin square, this is 11 sin theta, is plus 4. So in this equation, we see here only one trigonometric ratio, which is sin theta. So you have to know convert here. Just only do the middle term factor. Here, first step, this is 11. So 11 means there is a coefficient 6 and this is constant part 4. So 6 multiply 4, this one is 24. 6 multiply 4, 24. Now 24 break down into the two parts where their simplification will be minus 11. So 24 and 3, 8 times. There is minus 11. So minus 3 and minus 8. The two numbers here. Minus 3 and minus 8, their multiplication will be plus 24. Minus 3, minus 8, their simplification is minus 11. So just take the common here. We can take a minus 4 common. So there is a two factors, first one and second one. Either first one is 0, sin theta is equals to 4 by 3. We know here the maximum value of sin theta is plus 1. And minimum value of sin theta is minus 1. But this value is 1.11. So this is the outside this limit. So that's why this value is not acceptable for any types of value. Always sin theta must be stay inside the value minus 1 to plus 1. This is maximum value. This is minimum value. So this value is not acceptable here. So now there is another factor, 2 sin theta minus 1. So 2 sin theta minus 1 equals to 0. This is half. Half means sin 30 degree. Sin 30 degree is equals to half. Sin 30 degree means in circular measure, pi by 6 is equals to half. So we can write here half means pi by 6. Eliminating sine from both sides, theta equals to pi by 6. And this is answer. So, third question done. Dear students, now give attention in the question number 4. This is one of the most important question in this content, number 4. And maximum times you have to answer in the exam. Sin theta, tan theta plus cot theta equals to 4 by root over 3. So there are total 5 questions. And out of this 5 question, question number 4 is the top most important question. So dear students, let's see the question number 4. There are tan and cot. Just we have to change either cot equals to 1 by tan, or we can write here tan equals to 1 by cot. No problem. Any one you can change. So now, question number 4, we have changed here cot equals to 1 by tan theta, because tan and cot, they are reciprocal identities. So now take tan as LCM, like here a plus b by a. So if we take here a is LCM, this single number is always multiply with the LCM. So a square plus b. So this is one method. Or another method like a by 1 plus b by a, then take a LCM. So now a square plus b. In the same way, this 10 multiply 10, 10 is square, and 10 is LCM. This is the new 10 divided by 10 is 1, and 1 multiply 1 equals to 1. So now do the cross multiplication. If we multiply this numerator with the denominator, we will get this one, 4 multiply with that 10. So now, if we multiply here, the 4 shift right side to left side, but this is one of the most important middle term factorization. There are minus 4 tan theta. But in the first term and last coefficient part, if we multiply here, this is tan square theta multiply with root over 3. So their answer will be root 3 whole square and tan square theta. And this is 3 tan square theta. So if we multiply constant part with the leading term, this is 3 tan square theta. So now this is coefficient of tan square. So here take here LCM 3, and this is 3 1s are 3. But inside the middle term is minus 4 tan theta. That's why you have to write here minus 3 tan theta, minus 3 tan theta, and minus tan theta or minus 1 tan theta. Minus 3 tan theta, minus 1 tan theta, and this is minus 4 tan theta. That's why we can break down this one, minus 3 tan theta, minus 1 tan theta. We can write here minus 4 tan theta. And minus 3 and minus 1, definitely their multiplication is plus 3, and plus 3 came from root over 3 multiply with the root over 3. So now, this is complete. Here we can take root over 3 common. You had to understand this part, root over 3 and 3 tan theta. 3 means there are root over 3 multiply root over 3, because root over 3 multiply root over 3 means root over 3 whole square. Eliminating root and square, we will get here 3. So 3 means 3 root over 3 multiply root over 3. If we take common, here 1 root over 3, 1 root over 3, there will be another root over 3, because root over 3 multiply root over 3 is 3. 10 multiply with 1 or tan theta is remaining same. And here in this part, root over 3 common, tan theta is also common from first and second part, tan theta minus root 3. So now in the third and fourth part, there is coefficient is minus. That's why I take minus 1 common. So now tan theta minus minus plus. So here first factor tan theta minus root 3, second factor root over 3 tan theta minus 1. So two factors multiplication is 0. Either we can consider first factor equal to 0, then tan theta equals to root over 3. What is root over 3? Root over 3 is nothing but tan 60 degree equals to root over 3. Tan 60 degree means tan pi by 3 equals to root over 3. So this is one of the values. So now if we consider here second factor, 1 shift in the right side, 1 by root over 3 means tan 30 degree. So eliminating tan from both sides, theta is root over 6 by pi by root over 6. And here these both value are acceptable. Root over 3, pi by 3 and pi by 6, both are acceptable value, and they also stay in the limit pi by 6, pi by 2. Pi by 2 is great or also positive. That's why this both value is acceptable here. So, dear students, this is up to last. So now, last and final question, question number 5. So here question number 5. The value is 2 tan square theta plus cos theta. Definitely, we cannot change here cos theta. We must have to change. Sin square means 1 minus cos square theta. So now, sin square means 1 minus cos square theta. Just do multiply and arrange data. Now, in the leading term, we see here minus as a coefficient. That's how we have to take minus from each and every term. There will be changed. So now do the middle term factor. From there is a 2, this is 2, and there is 1. 2 multiply 1, there is 2, and take here LCM of 2, 2 1s are 2. And here minus 2 minus 1, there is minus 3. So if we consider both are negative, we will get here minus 3. Also minus 2 multiply plus minus 1, there will be plus 2. And this is 2 cos square plus 2 cos square multiply 1 is plus 2 cos square theta. So now there is minus 2 cos theta minus 1 cos theta. In the first and second part, take here 2 cos theta common. There in the third and fourth part, we can take here only minus common. This is nothing but the coefficient minus 1. So the two factors, consider here the first factor as 0. Cos theta is equals to 1. Theta equals to 0. 0 means cos 0 degree equals to 1. But there are 5 question condition is given here. Angle must be smaller than 90 degree and must be greater than 0. So 0 is not acceptable because the angle is given here. It must be greater than 0. That's why direct 0 is not acceptable. So now this is done. There is second factor, root over 2 cos square theta minus 1. So 2 cos square theta, 2 cos square theta minus 1, 1 shift in the right side divided by 2. 1 by 2 means cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree is equals to half. In circular system, cos 60 degree means cos pi by 3 is equals to half. That means half equals to cos pi by 3, eliminating cos from both sides. Theta equals to pi by 3. So dear students, this is our required solution. I think there is up to total, there are total 5 questions. We have complete up to last all question. Question 1 done, and question 2, question 3, question 4. And 4 is one of the most important question here. And there is 5. So there is also middle term factor is important middle term factor in the question number 3. So you have to do this, give more attention in question number 3 and question number 4. Dear students, this is up to question number 12. Inshallah, in the next content, we will try to solve question number 13. And dear students, if you like my content, please subscribe my channels. If you have any good opinion, don't forget to let me share. Inshallah, you will try to review your comments, and hope to see you all in the next assignment or next classes, and wish you all the best. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.